I'm David Holt, the mayor of Oklahoma City, and we are here today at the Route 66 bridge at Lake Overholser to put the last of 200 new Route 66 signs in place that mark the route of this iconic roadway through our city. Oklahoma City is very proud to be one of the biggest cities that has Route 66 passing through it. We've got dozens of miles. We actually have 5 alignments in the past. We've only marked 1. After this project, we're marking all 5 historic alignments of Route 66 with 200 new signs, and we definitely see the value of this to our visitor economy. We know that thousands of people pass through here every year wanting to experience this piece of Americana. We want to make sure that Oklahoma City has a strong tie to it. We're in the song. We ought to be proud of it. So hopefully this will inspire the private sector and property owners along Route 66 in Oklahoma City to continue to elevate the brand here as we approach the centennial. So come check out the new signs. This one here is at Lake Overholser, but they're all across the city. And if you want to know more about this project or to see the alignments or where the signs are in Oklahoma City, visit okc.gov/Route 66.